Alright, quick splice here for 7th Fleet. We're going to go over how to drop 10 GBU-38. I said that 10 with holding down the pickle button and releasing all 10 at the same time. Alright, so we want to kind of go over that, just getting some startup procedures finished up. To do this, you're going to use the marker system. So these little waypoint marker things you can add, I've already done it to 9 of those targets. They are these right here, these 4, these 2, and these 2 in this barracks. So what that looks like here is you put down a marker and you type in T01 through T10. You see I'm popping all those on. All right, so I have T1 through T9, just again to show you hit the marker, you hit what you want to hit. You type in T10, remember T for target, and then 01 through 10. Come back to our cockpit. We need to load them onto our Kneeboard. So right shift K, and then you'll page over to this part which is target list, and do right shift, right alt, and 8. And there you go. They are now loaded onto the Kneeboard. We can close this. And then we got to load them into the aircraft. So you're going to hit the CAS page, close air support. You're going to hit recall. And now those 10 are inside of the airframe. And let's go ahead and turn on our ECM, auto, and RWRs, auto. Brightness there. All right. Now we need to take care of our weapon systems. We're going to master arm. We're going to get air to ground. We're going to go stores. J82. Now we want to select those 10 targets. So we're going to go up here, hit targets. We're going to select 1, 2, 3, 4 targets. 5, 6, 7, 8 targets. 9 and X. X is 10, is in for Roman numerals. Then hit exit. And then let's come down here and make sure we have our fuse in instantaneous. You should have fuse instantaneous mode is auto, and it will look for our targets here by going back to the main page. We're going to go to our EHSD, and we're going to select our designation of our waypoints. Once we get airborne here in a bit, we'll show you how that works, and you change your waypoint to that. All right. So let's go ahead and get up towards the runway. Turn off our parking brake, and away we go. Alright, so we're going to select designate, and then we're going to choose the targets that we want to go to. So we're going to select this down, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So target 1 is where we're headed to. It is 25 miles away from us, and it'll give us our bearing up here where we're going to need to go once we start getting airborne. Let's go ahead and creep our way over to the runway. Now, as far as I know of, the Harrier is the only plane that will do this feature. I find it to be super cool, just to lay waste onto a group of targets. What we're going to go after is a suspected weapons factory for chemical weapons. We're going to take out their FARP from their helicopters and fly away with said evidence. Take out the barracks around that and let the SEAL team go in and clear house. Alright, hold short line. We're going to go ahead and go past that. Runway looks clear. Beautiful cloudy day in Persian Gulf. Runway, turn off our nose wheel steering, bring our nozzle down to about 60 degrees, get water running to takeoff, and off we go. Now we are fully loaded, so it'll take us a while to get airborne off this runway, but we're going to utilize the advantage of the Harrier, having short takeoffs and short landings, with the water system that's on board to help with the nozzles, give you that 60-degree incline. There we go. Gear up. We'll turn off the water. Start bringing up that nozzle to 0 degrees. So now we have forward flight. Let's start gaining some altitude. We need to go a bearing of 184 for target 01, according to what we just did. That's where we need to head. Target 1, bearing 185. And let's try to get as much altitude as we possibly can with this full load. If we get blown out of the sky, well, we'll know it's coming over there from the right. And we have smoke in the air. Great. Let's see. I don't think we reached this. Oh, here comes another one. We're just out of range of that. Thank God. Let's see if we can get back on course. Back on course. Angels 18, and 15 miles. So what I'll also show you after we drop these munitions, we're going to have to erase those targets so that we can start from fresh. Okay, so we're coming up close on target. We are 14 miles from that target site. What you see here is, this is kind of a countdown timer. When you're at the first caret, you are in range. When you go beyond the second caret, you are out of range. So we're going to have this go past here. What you see is we're going for target number 9 first, because that's what's closest, and then 1, 5, 2, 3, 7, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. 10 will be the last target on that. Going to roll left a bit, so we're back on our heading. Alright, you see this timer coming down. You're going to see this bottom caret, and once you see it past that, it'll say in range, and that's when we can start dropping bombs on target. Alright, we are now in range. We're going to hold down our weapons release. And it's just going to keep dropping L10 GBU-38. Alright, and last one is released. We come down here to recall. And we can erase those 10 targets so that we can set up another bombing run when they land. We're free to go. So now that we have established our flight over this target, let's see what it looks like. Keep an eye on those bombs. see the site right below us. There goes first couple targets. Oh yeah. Oh. Alright. Bring in the Navy SEALs to go clear out the rest of the fort. So that is how you drop 10 targets. You can see we've cleared all of it out. All the GBU-38s coming in. All 10 targets have been eliminated and go in for landing. Again, you'll do the recall, you come over here and you'll erase all those mission targets so you can set up another set of 10 when you land and rearm. Alright, that is all you know about the GBU-38 drop on the carrier. Hope it was informative, and good luck.